Hey, have you just passed 12th standard and dream of becoming a pilot, but everyone around you says it's too difficult, too expensive, or not possible for normal students like you? What if I told you that you could become a commercial pilot for top airlines like Emirates, Indigo, or Air India, guaranteed? At Top Crew Aviation, we have created a proven system that takes regular 12th pass students directly to airline cockpit, regardless of your family background or connection. Hi, I'm Captain P. Kumar, ex-Indigo pilot, was flying Airbus 320, now founder of Top Crew Aviation with over 20 years of experience training commercial and airline pilots. Over the past decade, we have transformed hundreds of the students into these successful commercial pilots flying for top airlines worldwide. Our proven system works for students from all backgrounds, even if you are from a small town, have average marks, or worried about the training cost. That's why we have created a detailed video that reveals exactly how our 7-step flight path system works. In this free training, you will discover how to become a pilot in top airline just after passing 12th, guaranteed the exact path from classroom to cockpit in as little as 24 months. How our students achieve 97% first attempt exam success rate. Financing options that have helped middle class families manage training costs. Why our candidates are getting selected in all the airlines over other academies. This is not just information. It's a complete blueprint with a guaranteed outcome. Click the link below to watch the full video now and learn exactly how you can secure your place in the cockpit of airlines like Emirates, Indigo, and Air India.